Namaskar. Tips for effective self-conversation. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Tips for effective self-conversation. Create a dedicated space, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can be alone with yourself, your thoughts, your emotions, yes, your feelings. Be patient and non-judgmental. Allow yourself to explore your thoughts and, most important, your feelings, your emotions without criticism. Regularity is key. Remember, make time for self-reflection on a regular basis, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Remember, the goal is not to find definitive answers, but to explore your inner world. It's too important, and gain a deeper understanding of yourself. If you truly love yourself, you have to get to know yourself deeply, madly. So love yourself, love every bit of your being. Okay? Your beautiful body, your beautiful soul, your beautiful mind. Dear unique, always remember there is only one you. Okay? If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. Okay? And be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Ashe. Bye.